Get ready to learn some fun facts about the planets in our solar system. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and it moves faster than any other planet in our solar system. This tiny speedster completes a full orbit around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. But here's the twist that blows people's minds. A single day on Mercury actually lasts 59 Earth days. That means a year on Mercury is shorter than its day. Imagine celebrating your birthday twice before you even finish one sunrise to sunset cycle. Venus spins backwards compared to most planets. While Earth rotates counterclockwise, Venus does the opposite. Scientists believe a massive collision in its early history knocked it into this reverse spin. It's also the hottest planet, with a thick, crushing atmosphere of sulfuric acid clouds that trap heat, making it hotter than Mercury, despite being farther from the Sun. Earth isn't a perfect sphere, but bulges at the equator due to rotation, making you weigh slightly less there, and its core is hotter than the Sun's surface. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered in water, earning it the nickname the Blue Planet. It's the only planet with liquid water and life, covered mostly by oceans, and its magnetic field protects us, while the Moon slowly drifts away, causing tides. Mars is famous as the Red Planet due to iron oxide, rust, on its surface. Hosts the solar system's tallest volcano, Olympus Mons. Has seasons like Earth, but much longer years, 687 days. Experiences massive dust storms, and is currently inhabited only by robots, with weaker gravity making you feel lighter. Jupiter is so massive that you could fit every other planet in the solar system inside it and still have room left over. This gas giant has a storm called the Great Red Spot that has been raging for at least 400 years. That single storm is bigger than Earth itself. Saturn's rings are not solid. They're made up of billions of chunks of ice and rock, some as small as grains of sand, and others as large as mountains. If you could somehow place Saturn in a giant ocean, it would actually float because it's less dense than water. Speaking again of strange rotations, Uranus is tilted so far on its side that it essentially rolls around the Sun like a ball. One of its poles points almost directly at the Sun during summer. It's an ice giant with a blue-green methane atmosphere, has 27 moons named after Shakespearean characters, and is the coldest planet in the solar system, despite not being the farthest from the Sun. And Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. These supersonic winds make Earth's strongest hurricanes look like gentle breezes. Did you like it? Like the video and subscribe to our channel to receive more interesting facts about our universe. Albo.